Who composed the nursery rhyme Twinkle Twinkle Little Star? Answer is Jane Taylor and Ann Taylor. When did Akbar abolish Jizya tax? Answer is year 1564. In which year did Aurangzeb reimpose Jizya? Answer is year 1679. In which year the National Rural Employment Guarantee Act was implemented? Answer is 2005. Who is the founder of World Economic Forum? Answer is the WEF was founded in 1971 by Klaus Schwab, a business professor at the University of Geneva. In which country was the first election conducted through the internet? Answer is Estonia. Which mammal lays eggs? Answer is platypus. What day is World Happiness Day? Answer is March 20th. Where is the headquarters of East Coast Railway? Answer is Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Which is the largest island in the Indian Ocean? Answer: Madagascar. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel for more.